After visiting Thai embassy here in Vientiane, Laos, I stayed a little bit in Hartson, Laos because I bought a drink and the flavor is caramel milk. It's nice actually, but it has a lot of ice. My goodness. So my next itinerary is I will be visiting the Vientiane Riverside or the Vientiane night market. Yay! So I'll wait for the sunset here, guys. So time check, it's still 5:22 in the afternoon and probably the sunset is before 7, 6:40, 6:50. Yes, and let's eat our dinner here, guys. So this is the situation here, guys, in Vientiane, and yeah, that's the other side, but it's not yet Mekong River, guys. So after that greenery is the Mekong River, and then on the other side of the river is Thailand. So let's go to the part where the riverside is very near the Mekong River. But before that, let's have a quick tour here, guys, to show you what's happening here. So they are selling a lot of stuff here, guys, especially drinks, barbecue, and of course street food. Unfortunately, I'm not hungry, so I will not buy. I have to prepare for a proper meal. So not much people here, guys. So they are selling the same stuff. So ang lugar nilang dili mahalin. Oh, look. It's 5,000. So basically, they are selling the same stuff. So Kuya is selling vegetable here, guys. So he is selling okra, kangkong I think, and then talbos ng sayote. Amazing. So unfortunately, guys, we're still far from the Mekong River, and I think the nearest to the ano is right over there. And by the way, there's a statue here, so let's have a picture of him.
A few moments later.
I don't know, guys, but there are many vacant stalls here, so something must have gone wrong. But on that side, guys, there are a lot of people. So basically it's nearer from the center, but this side no people at all. So that portion is still part of Vientiane night market. That one. So there are many restaurants here, guys. This side also, guys, has a lot of open stalls. That one. So probably their customers will arrive by nighttime. But as of this moment, no customers yet. So yeah. So in this portion, guys, it's starting to get busy. So it's a bit lively because of the music, and since there are somewhat like playground, guys. So here, as usual, selling the usual street food and soft drinks. Ticket kaya po na siya, guys. Siya waitress. Here, the typical Laotian juice. And then juices. Welcome ate is ice cream. So now let us visit what's here, guys. I think there's an entrance here. So yeah. So can see that each ride has different fees. So if you would like to try that slide, you have to pay 20,000 kip. Probably the smaller rides, they have lesser fees. And then of course, I guess that bumper car is a bit expensive as usual. So this is the continuation of our tour here, guys. So there are a lot of rides here, but most of them are for kids. Others also sell food and water and drinks. So yeah, nice. Napagi Ferris wheel nga, cute oh. Wow, nasilay roller coaster, guys. Oh, cute king a roller coaster. Yes, they have a roller coaster. Amazing. So same here, guys. They have bump car and all the other rides that you can see on the other part. So most likely they have different owners. So another slide and then another slide. So it's almost sunset na, guys. So you should take more pictures already. So they are still very busy down here. Nanay Afamo with his GL. And then another na pud nga maguyab coming, diba? Sana all na lang jud ta diri nga side, guys. And of course the sunset. Look, guys, the Zumba has started already. And then people are starting to come in na, guys. Look. So it's getting crowded na little by little. So later, kung mungit-ngit na, mas managhan pag yun siya, guys. So let us also visit, guys, the side where it's not by the riverside. So we also have here Vientiane night market. Like, this is the real night market, guys. So many stuff are being sold also here. Look, dry goods. Of course, they also sell food, but it's on another section. So basically, this part of the night market is dry goods, all in all. Look. So I'll not go there anymore because I'm already tired. So I'll now go back to the hostel, to the place where I belong. Look. So people also are starting to come in here. And then it's almost sunset, guys. So it's good to visit Tipsy Elephant, which is right over there. And look at the sunset, guys. It's starting to get golden. So now let us go back to our hostel.
A few moments later.
And I guess, guys, I've already visited most of the places that I should visit. And then there's no more left for me to do except to have dinner later on. Yes. So I'll show you guys what I will eat later on. Hi guys, so we are not done yet. The next thing that we will do is we will try this herbal sauna. Let's go. So that is the building of Tipsy Elephant, guys, and in front of it is this small alley which has this signage, herbal sauna. So we will go inside now and try this one. I already asked for the price and I think it's 35 kip, 1,000 kip. So let's check. So this is the way going inside, guys. So this portion over here, they are selling something. And then that is the herbal steam sauna. Anyways, you don't have to be naked. You can wrap your lower part of your body and you can wear upper part, especially for the girls. Hello, I'm back. So the payment is 35,000 kip. guys. So again guys, this is what it looks like here inside. So let's check the men's change room. It looks like that. So there were few guests a while ago na guys. Sayang. Siya naman na kauban pero na kay dili ram now.
A few moments later.
Let's eat. So I'll be showing you that I ordered. It's so delicious. This is the food that I ordered, guys. That one is nasi goreng chicken. Take a look at it, guys. Beneath it are the chicken meat. And then this one is egg salad. And then coconut shake. Let's eat.
One eternity later.
It was a very good feeling, guys, after the herbal steam sauna. That was the first time that I tried steam sauna, but I love it. I should have went there the other day, yesterday. So sad. I'm leaving for tomorrow morning. I'll visit that sauna next time if I happen to visit the Vientiane. Hi guys, I'm already near in my hostel and I like the sauna so much. So that's the steam sauna, not dry sauna. So you should visit that place, guys. Highly recommend it.